This is the first of our 3 badges, and it's looking at cybersecurity. So in this part of the badge, what we're looking at is cryptography, and in particular within cryptography, about how ciphers work. So a cipher is a way of taking a set of information and hiding it, putting it in a form that then needs to be deciphered. So the example used here is a very simple example, a substitution cipher. And the substitution cipher in question is a famous historical cipher known as the Caesar cipher. And basically the way it works is every letter is replaced, substituted by another letter, and you apply an offset so that the letter is, for example, in this case, E. If there's an offset of 3, the E would then become a B, the F would become a C, the G would become a D, etc., etc. So it explains the concepts of how a cipher works and explains the background, and then it gives you an example which you can then try and crack the cipher. Okay, so in this case we've got an encoded message which doesn't make much sense, VHFUHW. It tells us, and this is useful information, that the offset is 3. So let's put 3 in. So it applies the offset, and then we need to look for each of the letters and see which that letter corresponds to. So in this case the first letter is V, so we look for V, and V corresponds to S. So let's type S in. The second letter is H, so we look for H. H is E, so we type E in. The third one is F, this corresponds to C, so we type C in. The fourth one is U, which corresponds to R, so we type R in. The fifth one is H again, which corresponds to E again. And the final one is W, which corresponds to T. Okay, having done this, we've got our guess at what the right answer might be, which is secret. So we then check our answer. The answer is correct. And then it gives us the opportunity to change the offset if we want, and put in a message that we want to encode. So we can then actually use it to encode further messages.
The University of Huddersfield, inspiring tomorrow's professionals.